Today I'm going to show you how to install our Neon AI Enhanced Chat using a Drupal 7 module that has been created. This process is pretty much as easy as the one where you create your own block. It's just our module does that for you. So what we want to do first is go into our control panel. And we're going to go down to public HTML, then modules. And then once we're in modules, we want to upload the file. So we can grab that there. And it's been uploaded. Refresh the screen. Here, go back to public HTML, modules. And then there it is at the bottom. And we want to extract that. So those files have been placed. And we're going to go back to our website, one-to-one, a website that has just been launched on Drupal 7. And we're going to look for modules. And it should be in its own little area. There it is. Click that box. Save configuration. X out of here. And now you've got the AI Enhanced Chat on your new website. There's also some options that you can configure as well. Go to Configuration, Neon AI Block Settings, and you can change any of these different preferences that you'd like. This was all done in less than a minute. So in less than a minute, you can have your own AI Enhanced Chat on your very own website.